Friction is a force that resists the relative motion or tendency to move between two surfaces in contact. It occurs when the microscopic irregularities on the surfaces of two objects come into contact, creating resistance. Here are some key points about friction. 1. Types of friction. Static friction. The force that keeps an object at rest from moving. It must be overcome to start moving an object. Kinetic sliding friction. The resistance encountered when an object slides over a surface. Rolling friction. The resistance that occurs when an object rolls over a surface, typically much lower than sliding friction. Fluid friction. The resistance of an object moving through a fluid like water or air. 2. Factors affecting friction. Surface roughness. Rougher surfaces typically create more friction. Normal force. The force pressing the two surfaces together. Greater normal force increases friction. Material type. Different materials interact differently. For example, rubber has more friction with asphalt than with ice. 3. Advantages and disadvantages. Advantages. Friction allows us to walk, drive, write, and grip objects. Disadvantages. It causes wear and tear on surfaces and requires more energy to overcome in machines, often leading to heat production and energy loss. 4. Reducing friction. Using lubricants like oil can reduce friction by creating a smoother contact layer. Smoother surfaces and rolling mechanisms like wheels or ball bearings also help reduce friction. Friction plays an essential role in everyday life and engineering, providing stability and control but also presenting challenges in energy efficiency.